go. Hello.
Hey, it's Jenna.
What is up, girl? That is awesome.
Thanks.
So you're down how much?
Okay, so I went to the doctor's yesterday, and their scale was 39.9.
Oh, that's 40 pounds, girl. Let's round up now.
Right.
That is awesome. Congrats on that. Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks. I got the protein stuff from you.
What flavor you got?
Birthday. What is it?
Birthday cake? You got birthday cake True Meal?
Yes.
Do you love it or what?
Love it, and I make pancakes and waffles out of it now.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Girl, I need recipes for the pancake and the waffles. And if you could take a photo next time you do it, I need a photo because I want people's I want there to be different recipes for what people are using True Meal for, because people always ask, like, what are the different ways I can make True Meal and everything like that. So I want your recipe for those so I can post that on the website.
Okay.
That'd be amazing. Let's talk about it though. So what did you do? So you started when?
December 31st.
I love it. You started December 31st. So you said forget New Year's. I'm starting before New Year's.
Right.
I love it. So let me ask you, what made you start right then and there?
So I had thyroid surgery in October of 2020, and ever since then, I started just gaining weight. Like, they completely took my thyroid out, couldn't get any of my meds to work. So I went to a different doctor, and they started getting my meds on track, and I was like, this is the time. If I can get my meds to work, then I'm just going to go, like, full core and be, like, very, very strict.
No, I love it. So what did you how long have you been watching me? Were you watching before you started this?
Watching you?
Yes. Shay,
No, I found
check
you,
your junk and spam
right
folder.
after.
So you found me right after? How
Yes.
when did you, like, in the beginning, the first week of January?
I was going to say, yeah, it was either first or second week of January.
Nice. That's awesome. So what did you change? What did you change and why you started getting results?
No sugar, no processed, really, foods. Definitely no pop. I mean, I cheat, I'm not going to lie, and I'll have, like, a diet pop here and there, but, literally meat and veggies.
Why did you start doing meat and veggies?
So I'm insulin resistant, and my body does not handle carbs very well. And even if I have a cheat day and I eat carbs, like, I'll immediately see it on the scale. So my body does not tolerate carbs.
It's crazy when that starts to happen. So you're down 40 pounds from January to now. January, February, March. So 2.5 months, we're down 40 pounds. And you got you got the thyroid taken out. You're on thyroid medication. Let me ask you, and then you're insulin resistant too. So you're down 40 pounds. So everyone who thinks that they can't lose weight, you can definitely drop the weight, ladies and gents.
Definitely.
She's proof of it. She's down 40 pounds since literally December 31st. Let me ask you, what did you do on New Year's?
I worked.
How did you?
Midnight at the hospital.
What do you do?
A respiratory therapist.
So you're working long shifts.
Right.
So you can't use the excuse that you don't have time to lose weight because.
Right.
Yeah, just like Sarah, she's down 80 pounds and she's a nurse working 16-hour shifts. So I love it. What else? So what were some of the struggles that you had during the last 2.5 months, and what did you do to combat the struggles of any struggles you had during the weight loss?
So I would say my biggest struggle is I'm also, like, a habitual daily weigher. Like, I'm obsessed with it, and I'll probably never stop that. I'm not going to lie. But seeing a number change, but then looking in a mirror and seeing, like, you yourself cannot tell a difference. Like, you know what I mean? You kind of, like, start to lose the motivation.
Did you take before and after photos?
I don't see any different.
Did you not take before and after photos?
I did. But, like, to me, I don't know if it's the, like, body dysmorphia stuff, but, like, sometimes I see it, sometimes I don't.
Now can you? Now that you're down 40 pounds?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Like 100% for sure.
I'm gonna send you a link so you could write a review. Because I want your before and after photos.
Okay.
I want to be able to do that. So if you could shoot me an email later after this call, that'd be amazing.
Okay, we'll do.
So then what about like struggles with having cravings and stuff like that?
Oh, my other struggle is people ordering out at work. Like, they order out and DoorDash every single night.
So what did you do to combat that so you didn't eat all the garbage?
I meal prep.
You meal prepped?
I meal prep. So, like, I'll throw something in the crock pot when I get home in the morning. So then I eat, like, something small before work, and then I always take my lunch.
Got it. So a lot of people always ask with meal prepping, like, what helped you the most being able to meal prep? Like, if somebody were to ask you, how did you meal prep and what made it so easy for you to do that? What would you tell them?
I don't even know. So I'm not like, you know how some people prep and they'll eat the same thing every single week. I cannot do that. Like, I can't eat the same thing all week. So I, in my head, I actually have like a planner where I track everything and I write down. So I, at work, will Google different like recipes and I will plan out what I'm going to make during the day. So like on Sundays when I normally do my shopping, and then during the week I will plan what I'm going to make and then what I'll take that day. And then if I want leftovers or if I'm going to cook again, like, I have to plan everything out.
I love it. So what would you tell everybody who's listening and struggling with weight loss? What would you tell them right now if they were going to start or if they're hesitant to start? Because you're eating just meat and veggies, right?
Right. Literally just start, honestly. Even though you don't think you can do it, you can do it. Trust me. I mean, like, I feel like medically, if you would look at my labs, I was the perfect person against it. Like, even my doctors would tell me, unless I get my labs right, you will never lose weight. You could eat whatever you want, you'll never lose weight. But you have to get in the right mindset in order to do it. Like, you can't force anybody to do it. You have to want to do it yourself.
I freaking love it. I love when doctors tell people you're never going to lose weight, yada, yada. Are you off of, were you able to get off of any medications after losing the weight?
I am. I used to take metformin all the time for my insulin resistance. I don't take that anymore. And honestly, since I lost weight, like, I have more energy and my mood has improved. So I took myself off of my antidepressant, which I told my doctor, and she was like, good, if you don't need it, you don't need it.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome, because those are just horrible for you.
Right, and it makes you, I feel like you just feel like shit after a while.
That's what so many people tell me with that stuff, but that's what I'm saying, guys. You eat healthy, you lose weight, you're gonna get off of all these medications. Doctors are putting on these medications for Band-Aids instead of actually going to the main source of the problem, and is nutrition. I can't stress this enough, ladies and gents. She's proof in the pudding. She's down 40 pounds from January to now. I'm gonna go December 31st, but that's literally January. She ate meat, veggies. She stopped eating out. She started eating real food. She's been meal prepping. She got rid of her thyroid. That's when she gained all this weight back. She gained all this weight. She's insulin resistant. She's now getting off of these medications, guys. I can't say I've done this because I've never had different things like this, but real life people are getting results doing this. I freaking love it. I'm so excited that you called in to let me know about the results you're getting. Anything else you got for me?
Not really.
I love it. I want those recipes with True Meal. I'm so happy you love the cake batter.
Will do.
Seriously, appreciate it a ton. I'm so happy you called in. This is going to help a lot of people listening because I'm going to record. This is definitely what I'm putting up on the podcast because it's going to benefit a lot of people out there thinking that they're never going to lose weight, especially with their doctors telling them you can eat whatever you want, but you're never going to lose the weight. So seriously, you don't understand how much this call is going to impact so many freaking people.
Well, thank you. Thank you for everything you do.
Hey, absolutely. I'm just here to make it easy. I'm not making anybody do this. You're the one finding your why. What was your why? Let's talk about that. What was your why?
Like, I I just was uncomfortable in my own body. Like, I mean, I wear scrubs. I'm wearing glorified pajamas every day to work, but even those were uncomfortable. Like, when you're constantly having to, like, pull at your shirt because you feel like it's too tight, you know what I mean? Or you see that picture. I have one picture that I look at, and I was like, this is why I'm going to lose weight.
It's crazy that... Was that your breaking point? What was it where you're like, I'm doing this right now?
So I saw the picture. It was this summer at a Pittsburgh Pirates game. And I looked and I was like, I got to start losing weight. I got to do it. And then I got super, like, let down from the doctors. Like, it doesn't matter. Your labs aren't right. You're never going to lose weight. It doesn't matter. And I finally got to the point where I was like, listen, I'm just going to do it. Whether my numbers change or not, I'm just going to start eating healthy. And then, look, my numbers change. And I had to lower my dose because I lost weight. So it was putting too much into me.
Yeah. No, I love it, girl. Keep doing what you're doing. Are you at your goal yet?
No. I want to lose. We go on a trip May 4th. I want to be down 50 by then.
I love it. Oh, we got this, girl. Let's crush it.
I know. I got it.
Awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. Appreciate you a ton, and have an amazing day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.